right, walking away with 2 JCDC first place trophies. Not 1, but 2. 9-year-old Nolan Corlignon is a big deal. Also appearing as Baby Bob in the Bob Marley movie. He joins us now to celebrate his achievements and to give us one of his show-stopping performances. This guy's resume is ridiculous at 9. Good morning!
Morning!
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Good to have you on the program. I'm very well. Thank you for asking.
Thank
How do you
for
feel?
having
How do
me.
you feel this morning? A little nervous?
A little nervous.
Do you usually get nervous before you perform or do stuff like this?
Yeah, a little nervous, but when I'm done, I feel much better.
Yeah. Do you know that nerves are part of the process and it's just excitement to know that something good is about to happen?
Yes.
So you just use it for positive, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
so you've been performing for how long? I know you started with JCDC medals when you were 6, but you've obviously been performing long before that.
Yeah, like 3 years.
3 years old.
3
You just
years.
love to sing, what do you love to do?
I love to sing, I love to play tennis, I like to play piano, and I also like to act.
Right. So where did that love of all of that come from? Is that mommy or daddy, or is that something you just developed on your own?
Well, I think it's mom that let me develop singing, and she also let me develop piano and tennis and acting.
Because you play piano as well.
Yes.
Wow.
But she gave me the opportunity if I wanted to do those things. And to be honest, I obviously said yes.
Yeah, well, clearly. Him obviously said yes. What else where are you at school, Nolan?
I attend to Montego Bay Christian Academy.
Mobay. So how do you find the time now to balance the school work and the school stuff with all the other things you do?
Well, to be honest, I think that it's pretty tough. But I try to balance it a little bit for like not do everything at once, but like I do one thing, then take a break, then do the other.
What grade are you in now?
I'm in grade 4.
Grade 4. So you're pre-pep,
Yes.
getting ready for. So that's a challenge.
Still nervous about that.
You're nervous about pep?
Yes.
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's challenging, but just like all the other amazing things you do and you come out on top, this one is gonna be the same, right?
Right.
Okay, so JCDC is our national championships. You have a couple of those medals that we see over there for your performances. You started when you were 6. You entered the singing. Is this the singing competition that you
Yes.
entered? What was the preparation for that like, and how did it feel to be in that competition for the first time?
Well, to be in the competition for the first time, obviously was pretty nervous because I've never, ever entered JCDC before. Well, now it's like the 4th time. But for the very first time, well, I have to say I had to prepare a lot.
Yes.
And also the background.
Yes, because you have to go through parish champs.
Yes.
Then you have to go to nationals, right? That's
Right.
all? Okay, and on the big stage at the Little Theatre, is that where you perform?
Yes.
That's iconic. You have the judges sitting there, you have other kids sitting there. At that point, no, you feel like you want to run and hide, no?
Yes.
You have to, but you did not, clearly. 2 songs this year. Tell me about the 2 songs that you did.
So I did Feeling Good, Jazz, and Go the Distance from Hercules.
Interesting. So what is your favorite kind of music? Because Feeling Good is not an easy song to sing.
No.
Jazz is not a genre that you usually find a 9-year-old sitting in and winning medals for. So what kind of music do you love?
I really love jazz because it has a lot of emotion, and I feel like it has like one of the most like expressive genres out of all of the singing.
Sure is. What after jazz?
I have to say I like musical songs, like songs from like Disney movies.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Disney movie?
Well, I like Mulan and I like Hercules.
What's your favorite song from a Disney movie?
I have to say Hercules from Go the Distance.
Okay, which is probably why you did it at the festival.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. You worked with Auntie Tess in Voice Box.
Yes.
What kind of experience was that?
Well, it was a great and very fun experience. We did singing and choreography, and Auntie Tess is just amazing.
Yes.
She's very nice. She's an awesome singer, and I met a couple of friends my age that sang very well as well.
Yeah.
So
There's a lot of talent out there.
yeah, a lot of talent.
Yeah. So at 9, hi Auntie Tess, Tess Anchin, good morning. At 9, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Well, I want to be a famous singer and pianist.
Both. And is jazz going to be your area of specialty, or are you going to sing all genres?
All genres.
Okay,
I'm going to try and sing different genres that I've never did before.
Okay, all right. And so how does mom help in the process? Is she like your manager or
Well,
your mom?
I guess you can say that. She's my mom manager.
Momager?
So like when I feel nervous about something or like when I'm just about to perform, she tells me,
breathe. Do you pay her? Momagers should be paid. When you start to earn.
I think I pay her by hugging her.
That's the best answer, because those hugs, let me tell you, from our kids are worth everything and more. What was your experience like in the movie as Baby Bob?
Well, I have to say it was a great experience because Bob Marley is like a legend, and it was like very awesome, and I felt like I was so lucky to be a part of it. I also had to travel to London to perform a scene.
Oh my.
Yeah, so I still
You
enjoyed
met a lot
it.
of stars? You worked with a lot of stars?
Yes.
That's pretty
And
incredible.
my director, he was very nice.
Okay. Was it hard?
It wasn't that hard. All I had to do was just like follow the director.
Exactly right. So maybe acting is also in your future.
Yes, it is.
Wow. So singing, triple threat, guys. Do you dance too?
No.
Okay, double threat, guys. You never know what could happen. You are a joy to talk to. Thank you for speaking with me. Talking's over now, though. It's time for you to do your stuff. Where are you going to start? Which song are we getting from you first?
Well, I'm actually doing Feeling Good.
Feeling good. Feeling good. Who does that originally, Nona?
Michael Bublé, but Alicia Keys and Kelly Clarkson did a version, so I'm taking it from that.
Okay. I'm pretty sure there was somebody before that, but it's okay. You know, recent memories is what it is. Please make your way to the microphone. Do you think it's 9-year-old Nolan Collignon? It's a French name. Breaking. We're going to go performance. Feeling Good is this one.